All right, this is day one. My mate, Miles, has got a son named Nash, and he wanted to do up a HGK, what a T, Holden. So he went out to Bathurst and bought one, and together his father and I are going to build it. It's going to have an LS in it, tough with a carby, dizzy, 600 lift roller cam, turbo 400 trans brake, full manual, one of my 9 inches in it, and here's the car. A little patina day. We're going to get this car going within a month. So I'm going to build the engine at night. This weekend we're going to rip it apart. Easter weekend I bought a quick jack from South Australia. We're going to quick jack it, put it up, rip all the engine, gearbox and diff out of it, start putting bushes in the rear end, 9-inch turbo 400 LS. Today I bought an LS block from Malex, thank you Chris, and we're going to set up with a dummy block, and there it is. It's the first time I've seen it actually, so watch this transform. Thanks Stu's Towing. So here's the trim. We'll have to gurney the doors and clean the windows, retrim the seats, get some heat, deadening and carpet for it. Gonna make it an auto, we'll tuck the pedal under the carpet. But she's all right, it's a blank canvas. So, in the comments below, tell me what you think. You reckon we can get this going in a month? I don't even know what motor, or even if it has a motor in it. But anyway, I'll do that in the next video. Be watching Motormouth TV.